What's going on? It's your boy J Nation 1 back with another video, man. I'm about to take delivery of that ZL1 bumper, man. Check it out. Truck pull up to the crib, man. Y'all know what time it is. Yes, indeed. Pack touchdown. You know it. About to make a sick makeover real quick. Looking for my tools. What's going on? Clean out this garage, man. Make some room for the next car. You know, that boy is good though. Forges. Stuffed up under this bad boy. Still got this scratch right here, man. Took that bad boy to get it starter put on, come back with a scratch and a bad starter. I don't understand, but you know, it is what it is. I got everything fixed. You ready to take the car, get a new bumper put on, get that scratch fixed, and we're gonna be back in action. ZL1 status. Pack touchdown. Oh, nice size bumper. Oh, struggling, baby. Bad boy on the road, man. Know it. Man, this car stuff really been a headache, man. Keep on going, keep on striving, keep on surviving in this car game, man. Ain't no which I say.
What the hell is this thing?
A bumper.
Oh, I was gonna say, it's a big ass box. They don't weigh a lot, but it's awkward.
Yes.
Did you just initial down there and then sign down there? Glad I'm in the short truck today. There's a lot of fucking cars on the side of the road the way I had to come in.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. Normally I'm in a 48-foot semi.
Yeah. Oh.
I really would have been in some trouble coming around a couple of the turn. Can't make a turn when there's a car parked on the side of the road.
Man. All right, I appreciate you.
Yep, have a good day.
You too. Pack touchdown. Oh. I'll just go ahead and get a knife or something and break it down for y'all, man. Let y'all check it out, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all continue to watch my videos, man. Like, share, subscribe. Do all that good stuff, man. It's a movement. I ain't gonna lie, man. It's kind of hard. I'm doing this, man, while I'm recording and stuff. I'll be right back. Got this from Icon. Well, that's new design. I think I got it from a different site though. Icon said they was out. I was watching some dude video. He said he basically got his with just a wrap to cover it without nothing on it. Got mine the same way, man. Same exact way, man. That's just how they ship them. So you got your first and your second one like that. ZL1. Put everything up in there. Piece it together. Make it look real good, real nice. All that for that. Yeah, it's about to be a real movement. Alright, so I'm back, man. I got everything put together, everything situated, man. It's looking real good, man. Can't wait to see it on the car. Got everything put together other than the lights. I could have screwed them in real quick just so y'all can get a good look at how it's gonna look, but it's a long way to come. I'll get it on the car. I'll probably take it to the shop tomorrow. I let it bake a little bit in the sun today. Check it out. Got that mean, aggressive look. This is a conversion kit for the 2016 to 18 Camaro SS's. Pretty sure it'll go with the RS's also. I believe if you got the RS, you don't have to go get the extra lights. But if you got the SS, see how my SS is? They got the lights on the side instead of up and down like these will be. So I had to order the up and down ones. Like I said, the RS's, they come up and down. I'm guessing that's why you don't need them. But Icon, that's where I got this one from. Didn't take long. It said it'd be here on the 24th to the 29th of July. Got it today. Today is the I don't know what today's date is, but it's the 20th. Today the 20th, 21st, one of them. Somewhere around there. So I got it a couple of days early. It's on and popping. I like it though, man. Like I said, I'm gonna continue to let it bake a little bit more tomorrow. Probably take it to the shop, let them take care of it, man. This bad boy's gonna be a monster, man. Got the new wheels. Get the new wheels put on. It's gonna be over with. Like I said earlier in the video, first car show. Plan on going to Chicago show and go. Go kick it up with Playboy and them. Playboy and Turbo Joe, man. You see them getting action. Hopefully I can get on the track, race a little bit. You know what I mean? Just have a little fun, man. I ain't got a lot of horses, just 455, you know, compared to what they pushing. But I want to get on there and just test the waters and see how it is, see how it does on 26s, you know. Have a little fun. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. It's your boy J Nation 1, and I'm out.